Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to set up a payment stream contract using Bitbond Token Tool. Go to tokentool.bitbond.com and connect your preferred wallet. Once your wallet is connected, select your preferred blockchain from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Automate Payments tab. A payment stream allows you to stream payments of a particular token to one or many recipients in an automated way. First, enter the name, symbol, and the token contract address you wish to stream. Note that within one collection you can only stream one particular type of token. If you pay salaries in different tokens, currencies, you will need to create a separate collection for each currency. Now, click Create Payment Stream Collection. You will see it in the overview. Click the Manage button in order to top up the collection or withdraw tokens that haven't been transferred to recipients. To create a payment stream, you need to define the recipient's address, the payment start time, and the payment rate per average month. Click Submit once you're satisfied with your choice. In order for recipients to actually receive their tokens, you need to click one of the two options. Transfer tokens to recipients, which will transfer all the tokens that have been streamed to this moment to the respective recipients. You can also click Transfer, which will only initiate the transfer of tokens for all streams of the particular recipient that you clicked on. Note that if the stream collection doesn't have enough tokens, the transfers will not happen. You will need to add a sufficient amount of tokens to the collection and initiate the transfer again. And that's it. You now learned how to easily set up a payment stream contract. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.